Today is not like the others, it is Black Friday. I could throw your promo code for my project-based course React 3 Fiber, the ultimate guide to 3D web development. But I know you are challengers, you deserve more than this. For 24 hours only, you can get 42% off if you resolve this mini 3D escape game. This is a slightly revisited version of the Render Target Lessons final project. Watching the free preview might help you understand what is going on. The link to the game is in the description and the first comment. You have 5 seconds to pause the video to try finding the solution by yourself. After that, I will show you how to uncover the mystery. We have our character watching at the television a nice episode from SpongeBob SquarePants. You can try to rotate the camera, move things around, but the solution is not there. To be able to find the solution, you need to use the remote. What is happening is we have a camera system showing our character from another camera. Currently, we are using the corner one. We can change to a top view. The front view, we can see our character smiling, while it's not smiling, so sometimes what you see on TV is not the same that what you see in the real scene. And we have the build view. We can't move the camera anymore, but we can move items. But first, let's go back to the top camera. If you look at it, you can see here we see nothing, but on the TV we see a bit of text. This is because only the top camera is able to view the promo code. So once you find this, you must try to move the table to reveal the code. Let's go to build mode. From here, you can see anymore the camera. You see the TV show. We can move the table. Go back to top view. And voila, the promo code is 3D Friday. To learn how it works, create your own games and much more about 3D web development, you can subscribe to this channel, consider buying the course, or watching my other free tutorials like this one available here.